Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on guitar using an easy method. We'll focus on just 3 essential chords and a straightforward strumming pattern. This approach is perfect for beginners, allowing you to quickly enjoy playing this fun song. Get ready to learn the basics and start strumming along in no time. Let's dive into the 3 essential chords for Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride. You'll need C major, G major, and F major. For F major, we'll use a simplified version, making it much easier for beginners. Focus on clean finger placement for each chord. Practice switching between these 3 shapes until they feel comfortable and natural in your hand. Now, let's talk about the strumming pattern. A simple down-down-up-up-down-up pattern works perfectly for this song. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and try to maintain a consistent rhythm. Start slowly, focusing on hitting the strings cleanly with each strum. Once you're comfortable, gradually increase your speed to match the song's feel. It's time to put everything together. Practice transitioning between your C, G, and F chords while maintaining the down-down-up-up-down-up strumming pattern. Start slowly, focusing on smooth changes. Listen to the original song to get a feel for the timing and rhythm. With a little practice, you'll be playing Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride with confidence and ease. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.